Hey everyone, this is Scott Leroy, Scott Leroy Marketing, coming in for the weekly tip, and today's tip is on Canva again. So once you've gone through and you've started a piece and you've added inside the KW app on here, the next time that you want to utilize a piece, that KW app will be accessible. So if I'm going to go over here to, whether templates, or maybe I want to go back to brand templates for the KW templates on here, and maybe I'm looking at this red and black open house flyer. Well, once I select this and I click the use this brand template, all right, we're going to notice on our left-hand side, the apps that we download will stick with us for us to utilize. So once I actually click on Keller Williams over here on the left-hand side, I'm now going to be able to find all the listings that are synced with myself. So I can either view my listings once again, I can view for all listings on here, I can search by the MLS, so everything will be accessible along with all those profiles that we were talking about on here as well too. So that'll all be available for you to take advantage of right away. All right. So once again, all you'll need to do if you want to come through, I'm going to say that this is my listing on here. You can just click on it, drag and drop to move these over. So it'll be that simple to make adjustments on here. And then of course for details, all you have to do once again is drag and drop, and it's going to update this right away. So I probably don't want to do that on there. It's going to make it look a little bad. So I'm going to undo this now. All right, but that's how simple it is that you'll be able to adjust everything. And then once you complete it to your satisfaction, you want to utilize it, just click that share option at the top right. And this way, you can either go through and you can share this with someone by changing the access level to make it either only yourself, other KW associates, or anyone with the link. All right, as you can see, no sign-in required. You can download it as well too. You can make a public link. Or one of my favorite things that you might get the most benefit out of is you can also turn it into a template. So if you want to share this with someone else, you can make this a template to give them access to it right away. All right, but if you do just want to download this, hop on here. It'll give you a suggestion as to how you might want to download this particular piece, or you can change this as well too for whatever you would like. So there you go. So that's how simple it is to go in, start to edit a piece, utilize that KW app, and then download it, make a template, or share it right away. So there you go. So that is your KW tip for the day.